Hey guys, this is part 2, Saturday 10/10, and we just went and got blood drawn, and since I had to get dressed up and put clothes on, I decided to start hauling more stuff out here. So, I brought out 2 boxes so far from the other craft shed, and I just wanted to kind of remind you guys, just in case you haven't seen it yet. Yeah, we're still talking about moving the bed back into the house, because that bedroom will be totally empty for the most part. And so we're going to move that in there, and that way I will have this whole wall full of craft supplies. Kind of mess around with that. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back when I got some more stuff done. When I get some more stuff done. See you guys in a minute. See that I'm standing in the doorway. It's quite a bit smaller than the shed is, and I pulled everything from those 2 shelves over there for the most part. So those will be going out probably probably tomorrow. That's a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff there. Still have to take all that out. And then the table, I had this separated like when I was doing lace and stuff, so I could do it and close the door and the cats wouldn't bother me. But as you can tell, yeah, they kind of snuck in here a while ago. I was pulling things from the first 2 shelves and just kind of throwing them on the floor. So yeah, still a lot to do here. I think maybe 2 or 3 more hours in here. Here's my desk. I don't know if you can see it. I haven't decided if I'm going to take it out or leave it in here for the critters, because look at them, they love it. So yeah, big mess. I'll leave this in, because right there is where I keep the journals that I haven't sold, you know, just to keep them nice and clean and smelling good and all that jazz. I don't know why I said that. And yeah, oh, and behind the still have all this too to take out. Yeah, like I said, I am wanting for nothing. Yeah, all that. So I'm debating on keeping these shelves, or at least like the bottom set of shelves in here. Mom purchased these when she was here, but I thought, if I can take them out if I need them, then I can always, if she comes back and we need more space in here, we can always buy more. But I also have like journals that I want to keep inside. So I think I'm going to need some kind of shelving unit, or maybe I could store them in here inside this. So we'll see. I'm thinking about leaving that shelf in here too. You can't really see it. My sister made me that. For packing stuff, you know, and move all my packing stuff inside, just so the cats can't get to it and it's more convenient. Because anything that I'm going to pack, I'm going to leave in here, because I do get up like at 3 o'clock most mornings, and if I can pack then, and that means pack to ship it away, you know, then that would help. So yeah, I don't think this will take all that long, because they're all in plastic bins. So I think I'm going to do that maybe on Sunday. We'll see. And all this good stuff. No telling what I'll find. I haven't really found anything yet. So I'm still looking for those rings. I had to buy more rings. But yeah. So anyways, guys, not sure when this set of videos will go up, but we'll have a lot done out in the shed. So I'll show you guys that tomorrow. Okay guys, so
let me get by you.
Sorry
hey guys,
I got most of the stuff from the inside done, and I had to bring some shelving out so I could get rid of some of this clutter. It's driving me crazy. We took the bed out. It's just sitting outside right now, and Clint wanted to vacuum real quick because there's some dead flies and stuff there. And I moved that shelf there. So I think, well, I haven't decided how I'm going to organize this yet, but I think I'm going to put, Because like all these books and stuff are papers I'll use for junk journaling. So I might put like all the papers I use for junk journaling here. Like what I pull from for my junk journals and stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys. We're almost done with the big stuff. We have one more shelving unit that size that we're going to put where Clint is, kind of against this wall. And I think I have two more. Well, yeah, I have one more like that. And I think I can double up on those. So it'll be wall-to-wall ceilings. Wall-to-wall shelves, I guess. So yeah, we're kind of exhausted. So, but I got to get a lot of stuff done. So I have a place to work because the house is just horrible. And now half my stuff's out here. Half of it's in there. So yeah. Okay guys, see you in a minute. Okay guys, I was just showing you guys. I think we worked 4 hours today. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Worked about 3.5, 4 hours. And I got all that stuff out of here. The whole wall is empty. I picked up all the stuff. All this little stuff on the floor. I know it looks horrible in here. The cat's knocked down off that big kind of roundabout thing that I have. And so I did come in here and pick that up because it looks kind of like it might rain. So I don't want to leave anything outside that might rain. And I'm thinking about just putting the bed right here along this wall. And then I'll have over here, sorry, all you can see is trash on the floor, is my, where I'll have my, sorry, am I making you guys dizzy? This shelving unit, I'm going to move that behind me so that I can put the envelopes and packing stuff, things like that on there. And then I'll probably put like a cat climbing toy. I think we're just going to make this like a cat room. And just have, you know, tons of places for them to play in. And I think, yeah, I think I'll line the bedding, the mattresses with some really nice, not nice, but really sturdy. You hear the cat, he's upset because I'm not giving him treats yet. Some sturdy blankets. And I'll probably put like 4 or 5 on them. And then if they get sick on them, then I can just pull the top one off and it's not going to affect the mattress any. So, some of these books and stuff I will be moving outside as soon as I figure out a place. I'm fixing to show you guys the rest of that. And like my distress inks and stuff here. I want to make sure it's going to be nice and, you know, stay warm out there. I don't want it to anything to freeze. So I have some stuff in here that I'm not moving out till later. That pan is new. That's something we're going to show you next weekend. Let's see. There's Mr. Wilbur. Trash. That's not trash actually. It's ribbons. And I'm keeping all my watercolor stuff in here and all my drawing stuff in the house. Just so I have something to do first thing, you know, when I wake up and stuff. So, yeah, and then all these ribbons in here. I'll probably just leave those up there unless I think I'll use them in journals. But I do use these a lot of times to package, like to wrap up my my packages, my journals. I like to put tissue paper over them and then put a ribbon around them. So I'll probably keep that in here. We are going to bring out the desk. That's going to be maybe tomorrow or sometime this week. Clint has to work tomorrow, so it's going to be a long day. So let's head outside and I'll show you guys what we have done out there. Let's step back so you guys can see what all we have out of here. So I'm going to have to really sweep and probably mop and everything in here, just to kind of get it ready for a guest room or whatever, you know, nothing else, the cats. Okay, let me show you what the outside looks like. Okay guys, so look at this mess. Clint was organizing, separating some fabric, and we do have piles for certain things, you know, how we want to do it. Sorry, the door's shut behind me. Hope you guys can see this. Let's see. See where those tan things are right there? Pretty much everything straight down from there is all fabric for the most part. And then everything else, the other 3 sets, is yarn, because I do knitting and stuff like that. But I think, so all this fabric will go in those if we can get it organized. And, you know, we kind of sorted through ones that we want to do covers. If things really worked out really nice, then we kind of, yeah, did that. So there's not a light in here that I can turn on. So, but yeah, can't really tell we did anything except move stuff in. Isn't that crazy? So a bunch of this will, well, not a bunch of it, but some of it will go upstairs, because we do have the, you know, we do have another storage, or another area up top where we keep like household storage and stuff. So like Christmas things like that. So there's my heater. I need to look at that before I go back in the house. Make sure Clint gets the right part. And then I brought some toilet tissue out here just because I don't have any boxes of tissue. Just in case I need to blow my nose, I don't have to walk all the way back into the house. And so we got that done. This cot needs to go upstairs or up above. But yeah, I mean, look at it. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about, I know, honey, putting my craft desk in here somewhere. And then if we have another shelving unit, it'll probably go over there. But, yeah, I think, because I do have like a big white thing somewhere. Oh, it's behind me. That has a few items in it, and I think that could go beside my craft desk, maybe here. And yeah, I think we can make it all work. So I'm kind of excited to try it. So yeah, I'll be working in here tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get the Halloween journal done and wrapped up. But yeah, yeah, we'll be working. I will be working in here tomorrow. Clint has work to do, and then Tuesday we'll have to work together. A couple of really long jobs, so you guys pray for us. So yeah, I'm gonna head in and eat supper, but I wanted to kind of show you guys what we got done, how much we moved out here. I have to say I'm more sore this time than I have been, than I was last time, but I also am getting excited because, like I said, half my stuff's outside out here and half of it's inside, so I need to kind of organize it so I know what I have where. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye!